what we can just do is just click on background remover. Of course, with Canva Pro, anything is possible, and now we can just add the woman into the. Hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can replace an image on Canva. Now first of all, you need to have Canva Pro for this one, so head over to the link in the description so that you'll have a free trial access to Canva Pro for at least a month at most, I think, and then you won't have to pay for anything until you reach way past the deadline of the free trial, of course. And you won't have to pay for anything, but your credit card details will still be necessary for, confirmation. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So here we have a photo of a person, a businessman to be specific, and he's part of this one picture, so he's inseparable. So how do we actually want to, and we want to replace him with someone else, like for example a businesswoman. Such a businesswoman here on photos. Well, we want to replace him with someone from here, but or a photo of someone here. But right now he is completely attached, it's literally one photo, right? So what we need to do is we need to go over to click and then edit. Here you go to magic grab, click on magic grab over here. Wait, it's loading. Okay, click on magic grab, and what you do is just to wait for it to load for a bit. Quite lagging, sorry about that. I see why it's lagging. All right, now we just need to click on this person, and then we just need to click on grab. And what it will do is it will use artificial intelligence to replace the background of the person with a background with pics that correspond with the rest of the background to make it look seamless, like the man wasn't there in the first place. So now we have successfully gotten rid of the man, and we can now move him around. It's that simple. And now we can just add this woman here right now, and what we can just do is just click on background remover. Of course, with Canva Pro, anything is possible, and now we can just add the woman into the photo like the man wasn't there in the first place. And it's that simple. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.